Have you ever caught a girl looking your way and then quickly just glancing away? Bro, I know you were probably confused wondering if she liked you. I'm here to tell you, she probably found something about you irresistible. So today, I'm gonna show you exactly why that was and show you 6 more traits that women can't resist on a man. Let's start with number 1. Women can't resist this specific color on men. You see, dark colors make men look more mature, more successful, making them irresistible to women. The best part is that these colors are easy to style. To begin, you need to consider the 5 primary dark colors. You have black, dark blue, deep black, dark brown, and dark green. From here, you have 3 easy options on how to wear them. First, you can pick any of the 5 colors and just wear it on your entire outfit for a monochromatic look. That one was easy. But next, you can try something called the highlight technique. This involves wearing a shirt and pants in the same color, and then adding a contrasting white pair of shoes. And finally, you can switch things up with the Oreo technique. This involves wearing dark colors for your top and shoes, and then pairing them with light colored pants in the middle. So now, I just want you to pick your favorite dark color and choose one of these 3 styling techniques. And I promise you, you're gonna look irresistible to women. You're gonna notice them looking at you. It might even catch the odd one looking away quickly. But to actually get them to come over and talk to you, you're gonna need these next 6 irresistible techniques. Check this out, number 2. I want you to wear this specific scent. You see, these colognes I'm about to give you are the best colognes for every season that women can't resist. You see, in colder seasons like fall and winter, the slower evaporation of your fragrance means that you should prioritize scents that have strong top and middle notes. So, for these colder months, you want to choose scents that have amber, vanilla, sandalwood, cacao, caramel, and chestnut. Now, in warmer seasons, like your spring and summer, the heat will cause your fragrance to evaporate faster, which is gonna make the scent very strong for anybody around you. For this reason, you should go with lighter and fruitier notes, such as your citrus, like lemon, lime, or orange, or something like coconut, floral, or marine notes. Now, when you start wearing the right scent for the right season, with the right colors, bro, the girls around you, I'm making it almost impossible for them to be able to resist you. You're welcome. Takes us to number 3. I want you to walk like you're the man. A woman can tell right away when you're not confident if you're walking around with bad posture. So I'm gonna show you how to instantly fix your posture and become irresistible to the women around you. First, I want you to find a flat wall and stand with your back against it, and make sure 4 points on your body touch that wall. Your feet, your hips, followed by your shoulders, and finally your head. Now, I want you to try to maintain this exact position as you walk. And you're gonna immediately feel an improvement, not just on your confidence, but just how you feel. Now, if you practice this every morning before you leave the house, you're gonna start walking with such a confidence that any woman's gonna notice. Number 4, skin that looks like glass. As a matter of fact, here are the 3 most popular skincare products men buy to get perfect skin and why they're not working for you. You see, most men, they'll focus on products to get clear skin. What they don't realize is that clear skin, it starts within. How many times have you bought an expensive face wash? You wash your face twice a day, but you still end up with breakouts. You wanna know why? Because your body doesn't have enough biotin. You see, biotin helps metabolize sugar and bad fats in your body, which aids your skin into producing more protein and making it firmer. Daily, you need about 5,000 milligrams of biotin. Most of you never think about that when it comes to clear skin. And this is exactly why I decided to start my own supplement line, Get Supplements, and start with our first product, which we're calling Get Attractive. One of the main ingredients that I'm adding is biotin, exactly 5,000 milligrams. You know, I'm a science guy, I love studies, and I wanted to make sure that the formulation was perfect. Now, the second step to achieve glass skin is sunscreen, right? Every guy knows that they should have sunscreen. And while that is amazing and you should be doing it, you have to understand that your skin can also create its own protective barrier and protect itself against the sun's harmful rays if you give your body enough vitamin E. Vitamin E works by creating a protective layer around your skin that shields against the sun's UVB rays and any other external factors. But again, most don't understand that this perfect skin that you're looking for starts with what you consume, the food that you're eating. Now, to give your body enough vitamin E to produce its own protective layer, you need to be consuming 14 milligrams of vitamin E. You guessed it. I did all the research on it. This is why I know all this stuff. I added that exact amount in our new Get Attractive supplement, because what I want is to create a supplement for men that makes you attractive from within, that you can take every day, and it's just a single capsule and you don't have to think about it. You let me do the thinking. You let me do the research, and I formulate a product that doesn't exist, because no one is doing supplements for guys so they can look and feel great. And that's what we're gonna do with Get supplements. And finally, when it comes to clear skin, you'll also buy a good moisturizer. Every guy does it, but what you don't realize is that if you have enough vitamin D in your body, your skin and your body will be healthy enough to hold on moisture to keep it plump and hydrated. You see, your body is an amazing machine, but if you don't give it the nutrients it needs, you will always be battling with bad skin no matter what your routine looks like. And the sad part is that most of you are deficient in vitamin D and you're not going out enough, which is why you should be aiming for 10 milligrams of vitamin D a day to get that natural boost in hydration and health in your skin. And you guessed it, I added that exact amount to Get Attractive. Bro, this is gonna be the best supplement to become more attractive and feel better in the market. As a matter of fact, there is no other supplement. We're the only guys because I noticed no one else was doing it. Now, the key here is consistency, which is why when you guys purchase Get Attractive, you can subscribe and receive it every month. That way, you never have to think about it. And every day you can take this supplement and start noticing over the weeks, over the months, just how great your skin is gonna start looking. And now, whatever skin routine you use, it's always gonna work because your skin is actually healthy from within. But from here on out, every other month, we're gonna be releasing a new Get Supplements product that's aimed for men to feel and look better. But because you're one of our first buyers, I'm gonna call you guys our Attraction Hackers Club. You were one of the first guys to try our supplements. Every time we drop a new supplement, you're gonna be able to test it out for free. As part of your monthly subscription, you don't have to pay extra for it. And that's just a gift from me to you for the rest of your life. As long as you're subscribed. Again, this offer will never exist again, and it's just for those of you that are believing in Get Supplements and are becoming the first-time buyers. Number 5, you wanna use the right smile for your face shape. You see, there's different types of smiles for different types of faces. And if you master the right smile for your specific face shape, women will not be able to resist you. So, if you have more of a rounder face, I want you to keep the top and middle portions of your face still. And I want you to smile mainly with just the lower part of your face. This technique will elongate your face and give you a slimmer appearance. Now, if you have a thin and long face, you want to smile upwards with both the lower and middle parts of your face. This is going to shorten the appearance of your face to balance out your appearance. And finally, if you have a larger mouth, along with one of the previous face shapes I just talked about, I want you to smile still with the lower and middle portions of your face, but I want you to push outwards and not up. With these techniques, not only are you gonna look more attractive in every picture, but in person when you do, women will not be able to stop looking at you. Now by this point, you're starting to understand when you start wearing dark colors, you wear the right scent for you, you walk with confidence, have amazing skin, and a great smile, bro, of course women can't resist you. You're starting to understand why they're always looking at you. But there's still 2 more things you need to truly understand to become fully irresistible to women. Number 6, I want you to talk down to her. You see, a deeper voice will make people treat you better and with more respect. It also makes you incredibly irresistible to the women you talk to. So here is a technique to deepen your voice forever. You see, when the average man talks, he will often finish his sentence in an upwards way. For example, hey, can you pass me that pen? Or, hey, how are you doing? They do this to avoid coming across as rude or to create conflict, but it also makes you sound weak and non-dominant. So, an easy way to deepen your voice is to simply end on a down note. For example, hey, can you pass me that pen? Or, hey, how are you doing? Versus, how are you doing? Do you notice the difference? When you start down talking towards the end of every sentence, automatically you will deepen your voice and become more irresistible. Number 7, look at her with these types of eyes. The first guy has hunter eyes, while the second has prey eyes. Women find men with hunter eyes irresistible compared to the men that have prey eyes because it just signals dominance. So, here's how you as a guy can start developing hunter eyes. Start by imagining almost like you have like a light weight attached by a piece of string to your chin. This is gonna help you slightly start looking down, giving both your head and eyes more of a dominant appearance. Next, you're gonna wanna thicken your eyebrows. And the easiest way to do this is to use a derma roller every morning and apply tea tree oil after each session. And finally, you're gonna wanna darken your eyebrows, which you can easily do with a coffee scrub, where you grab coffee and oil, mix it together, and apply it to your eyebrows for 10 minutes. Once you wash off, you're gonna have thick, dark eyebrows. And when your chin is tilted downwards, your eyebrows will weigh heavy on your eyes, giving you a more dominant stare. Start doing this and the 6 other irresistible techniques I showed you in this video, I promise you. Girls won't stop looking at you, bro. Yeah.